Welcome back to Andrew's Collectibles. And today I decided to do a Force Friday review for Star Wars Pez dispensers. So Pez is obviously massive. It's been around a long time. It's something that I kind of keep an eye out for as I go around, but it's not something that I think is a very lucrative collection unless you're getting the original ones. But I think the Star Wars ones are pretty cool in the sense that they come out just around every movie, so you can always add to it. And they stand on their own, so you can set them up in a quick display and they don't take up a lot of space. And they're just a kind of a neat piece of nostalgia for people that like me, like they grew up around like Pez, right? So this is what we got so far. We've gotten all these in little baggies. We've got a couple R2s, we got a Chewie, got a couple Yodas, a couple Vaders. The Vaders are pretty cool. I mean, like they're pretty detailed when you really think about it. And then like Grievous looks pretty good. Like they're nice. Like they look good to have a little display going. Not crazy about the C-3PO. Like they could have done a little bit more to his face, I think. But the fact that it's gold, all gold, is pretty cool. And then my favorite one is this one. I just came across it. It's in like this is like, look at the detail between the two of them. You know, C-3PO looks just like garbage, and this looks like an actual like well-crafted Pez dispenser. So obviously these are look like a little bit newer. You can see the detail there as opposed to like the C-3PO. And then if you look at the two Yodas, they're two different ones that they made. You can see the difference. This one way more detail. This one's a little bit older, less detail. So you can see the patent number on each of them is different. If you can get a look right there, it'll tell you made in Slovenia, made in Hungary. It'll say where it's made, and that's how you can identify it. So obviously Darth Sidious is like the best one in my opinion. I'd like to get all the Sith Lords put together in a row and then all the Jedis, but like I don't have any Jedis yet. So other than Yoda, like I have nothing. So keeping an eye out. Like I just enjoy it because you can find these for like 10 cents at yard sales. You can find them in thrift bags for like 10 for a buck. And they look cool to have displayed. So hope you guys enjoy it. Tell me what your favorite Pez dispenser was when you were a kid, or even now, or your kids if you have them like I do. My daughter's a big fan of the Disney princess ones, but obviously I'm trying to convert her to Star Wars. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks.